Hello students, welcome to Prudential Business. So students, in this tutorial we'll be discussing another case. Okay. So as I have already told you, and in my previous videos also we were discussing about various cases. So to make that case familiar with it, before going through it, what we need to do is that we need to study the question answers, or we need to study the bottom line of the case where the question has been written there. Okay, so that is actually the first technique to make the case studies easy for you. Okay, so first of all we are going to study the question, then second work is to discover the keywords here in the case. So let us study the question now. Suggest the type of solution that Tata Industries requires to cope up with those difficulties. That means Tata Industries is facing certain difficulties in this case. We are to suggest a solution for that, for Tata Industries. Okay, that is the first question. Second question is, what would be the possible benefits that can be presumed after that solution? That means if you have provided that solution to Tata Industries Limited, what can be the possible benefits Tata Industries will be having? That we have to write it in question number 2. Okay, so we have studied that question. After we have studied that question, now our next work is to read the question and to determine the keyword there. Here you see Tata Industries Limited purchased a new machine from Japan for manufacturing some auto components. It was a cost-effective and a quality production machine, but during the production process, the manager observed that the quality of production was not as per the standard set. So here you see, just by reading the question, one topic that comes to our mind just by reading the first question. Here you see, Tata Industries Limited wants to, has purchased a new machine. Here the keyword is new machine, and another keyword is about Japan. This word Japan. So new machine Tata Industries is purchasing from Japan. Obviously that should be somewhat related to vestibule in nature. Usually whenever we have studied about vestibule training, vestibule school of art, all those things, at that time we got it very clearly that in the cases with vestibule training, employees are made to train with very high skilled technologies. Whenever we have got the word Japan, Japan is a country which obviously produces a very high skilled technologies. That means this case study is entirely related with staffing, and out of staffing it is related to the topic recruitment, the training, and out of that training the word vestibule training will be applicable here in this case. Okay. Now here you see, on investigation it was further found that there was lack of knowledge of the using high-tech machines. Obviously Japan will be producing high-tech machines, but the machines has not been used properly in the way it should have used. Okay. Therefore, frequent visits by engineers was required from Japan, which resulted in a high overhead cost. This high overhead cost, actually it is an overhead, that means it is an beyond expected cost. One of the problem that is this particular case is facing is that there is a high overhead cost. Whatever the cost it has estimated previously, now they are facing high overhead cost. Okay, because why they are facing high overhead cost? Because there are frequent visits by engineers from Japan. So this is the case which we have already studied in our chapter. This case is related to vestibule school of training. If the employees of Tata Industries are given vestibule school, that means if they are made to work in this in a model of this high-tech machine, then obviously they will be the employees of Tata Industries, they will be able to get accustomed with the workings of this new high-tech machine from Japan. Okay, so the answer to question number 1 is that suggest the type of solution that Tata Industries require to cope up with those difficulties. The solution will be that Tata Industries must ensure vestibule training to its employees. Okay. What the next question is that what could be the possible benefits that can be presumed after that solution? Solution we got it, that means the employees should be made to have vestibule training. So when the employees are made given vestibule training, then this problem of high overhead cost this problem would be resolved for this Tata Industries. Along with that, they will be able to produce highly productive facilities. That means they will be able to have cost effective and highly production facilities. Cost effective, that means they will be able to mass produce at a very lesser amount of cost, and their quality will also increase. Okay, so that is about the solution to this case. Okay, so I suppose you have understood these cases, and if you think that this video is useful to you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.